Me smell strange bean water you call coffee. Me hear secret whisper in price tag. Tariff beast hiding inside. Gurucha count how this invisible cave tax steal money from your pocket. Okay, Gurucha explains now. You wake, grunt, eat caffeine fire. Beans travel big ocean from Brazil tribe. U.S. chief put tariff tax, little extra toll when beanboat arrive. Import humans pay first, but they not charity. They pass by to you. That extra quarter on latte, not barista tip. It tariff bite. Before 1913, U.S. tribe even fund whole government with tariffs. 90 out of 100 coins came from it. Old way to feed Washington mammoth. But coffee just first sniff of this beast. Gurucha follow trail to bigger reason why chiefs keep poking your wallet. Human leader use tariff for many hunt reasons. Protect local cave jobs. Keep steel tribe alive so you not build bridge from soft pot. Guard national fire. Chips, batteries, semiconductors. Play trade poker. You tax me fish. I tax you bourbon. Collect coin for tribe budget. Alexander Hamilton, big brain founder with hair like angry goat. Use tariffs to grow baby America economy. Back then, no income tax. Tariff was giant money tree, but when chiefs swing big spear, sometimes it bounce back. Next story show wall that kicks instead of protects. Humans think tariff is mighty wall to keep danger out. Sometimes wall punch back. When America slap tariff on European steel, Europe tribe shout, HA, and tax Kentucky bourbon. Poor whiskey makers cry into oak barrel. Your Friday night old-fashioned, extra dollars. Tariff war like two mammoths head butt. Ground shake, everyone spill beer. Winners, maybe a few protected losers. Losers, anyone who buys stuff. That mean everyone with wallet. You think that bad? Wait until Gurucha track one product all the way from foreign cave for your own market. Follow path of one electric car battery from China. Tariff at cost. Shipping human at cost. Dealer at more. By time you buy shiny EV in Detroit, price bigger than Buffalo. Same for washing machine, sneakers, even fancy phone. Mom at store. Why new washer $150 more? Dad, tariff beast strike again. Invisible tax, real pain. You know see it, but bank account cry like baby caveman. But Gurucha not leave you hopeless. Last lesson show how clever hunter fight back. Good news, you not powerless human. Check Made in USA label. Sometimes cheaper now. Support local crafts so dollars stay near your own fire pit. Vote for chiefs who explain trade magic with honesty, not smoke. Next time you sip coffee or tap phone, remember hidden tariff footprint. Knowledge make you hunter, not prey. That all.
That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad.